In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new website or are looking to enhance an existing one, understanding how to effectively use text blocks can significantly improve the look and functionality of your site. Squarespace provides a wide array of customizations, and text blocks are a fundamental part of that. So, let's dive in and explore each step in detail to ensure you have everything you need to create compelling content on your site. First things first, you'll want to open Squarespace in your web browser. Make sure that you log into your account. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to make any changes to your website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Squarespace homepage. From here, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see an icon representing your profile. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where you select the specific website that you want to work on. Many of us have multiple sites, so ensuring you're working on the right one is crucial. After selecting your desired site, click the Edit button. This action will take you to a more detailed editing interface where all the magic starts happening. Next, focus your attention on adding a block. On this editing page, you'll find an option to Add Block. Click on it to open up a variety of features Squarespace provides. For our purposes today, we'll focus on Text Block. Click on the Text Block option and you'll see a new text area appear on your page. Now, it's time to paste or type the text you want to display. Within this block, you have multiple styling options to make your text stand out. You can bold or italicize your text, which is a great way to draw attention to specific words or phrases. There is also an option to scale your text, which allows you to adjust the size, making it larger or smaller depending on your needs. Highlighting is another useful feature, as it adds a splash of color to your text, making it more engaging for your readers. Beyond styling your text, Squarespace offers additional enhancements like adding hyperlinks, adjusting text alignment to better fit the design of your site, or even clearing formatting if you need a fresh start. If at any point you feel that a text block is no longer essential, you can easily remove the block. These features provide you flexibility in not only how your text looks, but also how your audience will interact with it. Once you are satisfied with the text block and its styling, make sure to save your work. It's crucial you click Save to ensure all your changes are recorded, preventing any unexpected loss of progress. There you go. Now you have a better understanding of how to efficiently use text blocks in Squarespace. Dive into these options, explore what works best for you, and watch as your site becomes more dynamic and visually appealing.